In this video, I'm going to teach you a very easy technique on how I do a mid and low taper fade. This is Kalbs Miralles from Southern Town Social Club. Start by using the number 2 clipper guard to set the height of the fade area. Set your blade to 0 and create a base guideline parallel to the eyebrows and upper part of the ear. Move the lever up and down to blend the guideline you just created using a 0 closed lever. Start knocking off the guideline using 1.5 clipper guard while using the up and down lever technique. Remember to always have the fade brush or any cleaning brush on your other hand to keep the skin clean so you can see what you're doing. Use the number 1 clipper guard to continue knocking off the line and blend the transition. You can see that the initial guideline is almost out. Just continue blending it in. Complete the transition by blending it using the 0.5 clipper guard. Remove the hair below the guideline using the edger and create a sharp curved hairline on the side. Use the number 1 clipper guard with the open lever setting and go with the grain on the upper front hairline. Use your edger to create a sharp hairline and remember not to push it back too much. Use your blending shears to blend the fade area for better transition. Create a sharp line above the ears and also remember not to push it back. The crispy line behind the ears is what makes the taper fade stand out and look great. Do the same method on the other side of the head. And yeah, remember to use the corner of the blades of the edger to create that sharp curve on the sides. These techniques works all the time for me. Always remember to check how the hair behaves, so you know what we're working with. My client here requested to have a really low taper fade on the back, so I'm not going to push it up that much because he wanted to keep that shape on the back, the round shape. On the low taper at the back, I started by using the 1.5 guard and the C motion technique and worked my way down using the number 1 clipper guard to 0.5 until 0. The music that you're hearing, by the way, is from Moro Beats. I grabbed this from their free download. Remove any excess hair on the sides for a better shape of the afro. Use shaving gel and straight razor to sharpen the hairlines on the sides. Use the same technique on sharpening the front hairline. Pluck the afro using a afro pick can shape the afro freehand using your clipper and scissors. Finish it off with some grooming spray for a hold. This way it will keep the shape of the afro. Use a blower to give it some good curly shape. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. Hit like if you like this content, and I'll see you soon. Or I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one.